the week were given priority and people honored the order that specified that those responsible were the last leave. Today, on the other hand, it was the captain who was the first to save his skin. And this is why these internal compasses and commitments are so important. They show us the way in moments of personal weakness and during the hours of external pressures. Therefore, I congratulate the organizers for inviting the most astute and successful students into the community, into the society, which is based on an unseen, but I do hope, solid commitment. The same congratulations also apply to those of you that will accept this oath tonight. And do not forget, those who want to will always find one opportunity. Those who don't want to will always find one excuse. Thank you.
Time has come to formally induct to Beta Gamma Sigma Honor Society the first two generations of the Faculty of Economics bachelor, master, and doctoral degree students. Your outstanding academic achievements have earned you an invitation to Beta Gamma Sigma, but exclusive membership provides recognition for a lifetime. And by accepting membership, you pledge that you will endorse and strive to uphold the core ideals and principles of Beta Gamma Sigma: honor, wisdom, and earnestness. On behalf of all newly inducted members, Mr. Luca Pataki will read a Beta Gamma Sigma statement by which you formally accept the principles of Beta Gamma Sigma. Mr. Pataki, I invite you to read the statement.
We pledge ourselves to maintain and uphold the ideals and principles of Beta Gamma Sigma, the Scholastic Business Honor Society. We will guard and cherish honor. We will strive ever to acquire wisdom and use it for the betterment of mankind. We will cultivate earnestness in all our undertakings. As members of this chapter of Beta Gamma Sigma, we will recognize our obligations to assist and cooperate in the development of its purposes. We will seek by all honorable means to advance the interests of the Faculty of Economics, University of Ljubljana, of our communities, and of our nations.
Thank you, Luca. And in recognition of your accomplishments and of your pledge to high ideals, you will receive a membership certificate. You will also receive this small key, which is a symbol of the ideals of honor, wisdom, and earnestness. We will begin with bachelor degree inductees. In order for the awarding to run smoothly, I ask you to follow these short instructions. The seating order is adapted to the dynamics of award giving. Graduates of each row will be accompanied to the podium by our colleague. We will start in the last row and continue downward. When you are called, approach our dean and receive your certificate. Afterwards, please return to your seat following the opposite side of the road. Certificates will be presented by the Dean of the Faculty of Economics and the chapter president, Professor Dušan Mramorju. Additionally, by Tanja Dmitrovic, chapter advisor of Beta Gamma Sigma. I both invite to come to the stage and prepare for the presentation of awards. Additionally, I invite alumni seated in the last row to come to the stage. Beta Gamma Sigma certificate will be presented to the following graduates at the bachelor level: Amanda Ahlin, Eva Aljančić, Rok Avsec, Manca Avsec, Tanja Babac, Nate Babić, Nastja Benčić, Neja Bizjak, Tina Bregant, Niko Čičak, Petra Erhatić, Jaka Flerin, Anja Fras, in Gregor Furlan. Now it's time for the graduates in 11.